things that make you go, hmm. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be doing a Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. Now they do say that this will last the lifetime of your vehicle. We'll see. I like to test things. I've never used one of these before. You can pick them up from Amazon or Walmart for about $16.88, and let's see how this does today. This is a 3-step process, so let's see what's in the box. Alright, so we got step 1. This is going to be your oxidation remover. There's 6 pads, so you're going to designate 3 per headlight. This is your step 3, this ceramic clear coating, and your step 2 is in the bag. This is going to be for your preparing the surface. And they did include a pair of gloves. I have an extra pair of gloves just in case. I've got automotive tape. And we're going to prep the surface today with super clean. The vehicle's already clean, however, we're going to go ahead and make sure everything's good to go. And don't forget, I've got a super clean giveaway coming up very soon. So, like, subscribe, and comment so you don't miss that. Now, I did just clean my vehicle a couple of days ago. However, we want to make sure that this area is good and clean. You don't have to tape off around your headlight. However, if you're not comfortable with sanding or something like that, then I recommend you go ahead and do that. And it also says open the hood if that allows easier access to your headlights. I popped mine, but it's not going to change much. So we're just going to leave it down as it is because that's my table currently. Instructions. Step 1, before starting and if applicable, open the hood. We did that. Wash headlights thoroughly with any type of car soap and rinse well. Step complete. Put on supplied gloves. So, break into the step 2 bag and get our gloves out of here. Oh, nice. They did give you 2 pairs of gloves. Wait. Yep, 2 pairs of gloves. So we'll set one aside. Hopefully they don't break. I'm bad about breaking gloves. That's why I use like a grease monkey glove that's textured and much more durable than most of these. However, not bad. Using an oxidation remover wipe, rub each headlight in a circular scrubbing motion on all areas of the lens. Use all of the wipes to ensure your headlights are as clean as possible. Oxidation kit. Wipes, rather. Remember, we're going to work in a circular motion. There's not much yellowing on these, so not too much oxidation. Rinse thoroughly after you've completed step 1. Remove and discard your gloves. Fasten the red disc to the surface prep pad. Looks like purple and green to me, but I guess we'll call this red. Maybe I'm colorblind. I hope not. I've been an artist all my life. Oh. What's up, Cerakote? Red disc to the surface prep pad. And then farther down, fasten the gray disc. We're going to go and say that we assume this is red and this is gray. I don't know. I hope that's correct. Alright, so wet the headlight, surface prep disc with water. The squirt bottle works well. Scrub the entire lens in a uniform, non-circular motion. So, non-circular. Don't do this. Go back and forth for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Be sure to keep the lens wet during this time. Upon completion, rinse well with water, and then fasten the gray disc, which we're assuming is green. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. Green/gray pad. Alright, everything is dry. Moment of truth, guys. Step 3. Put on second pair of clean gloves. Check. Open one of the Cerakote ceramic clear coat wipes. Move horizontally from top to bottom, carefully wiping the coat in a single direction using a 50% overlapping technique. Apply only a single coat. Repeat this process on the other headlight. Allow the coating to dry for a minimum of 60 minutes before driving or exposing them to any moisture. If the clear gets on paint, don't worry, just wipe it off immediately. Alright, here we go. Step 3. They look pretty good. This is what it looks like. Not bad. So, not bad. They look a lot better than they did. This is the old one, basically what the other side looked like as well. For $17 and a little bit of time, not bad. I'll give them that. It looks pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I am going to finish the other side. Alright, just so you guys see, here's the other side after sanding and prepping. So I'm about to coat it and I will show you an after. Hold on. Alright, there's the after. So I gotta say, I had my doubts. I did. But it looks pretty solid. Not bad. I guess I will be offering this to my customers that call me for detail. Because like I said, they do claim it's a lifetime. So like with the other products you see on my channel, I'll update you guys. I just finished this, so it's got to sit for at least an hour. But not bad. Not bad at all. Very good. Like significantly better than what I started with by far. I don't have perfect headlights by any means. This is a 2014. But they look good. Much better. Good job, Cerakote.